my wedding, baby.
Oh, your tie is matching.
Yes, that's what I kept in mind.
Your tie is matching. Okay,
Amma.
we'll go.
खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं कि दिल फिर बेकरार है। खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं कि तेरा इंतजार है। छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। कह दो जो तुम एक बार मेरे हो, बस तुम मेरे, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। खड़ा हूँ आज भी वहीं, लगी तेरी ही आस है। कैसी है ये बेबसी, ये कैसी दिल की प्यास है। छू लो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो न जाऊं मैं रात दिन, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। कह दो जो तुम एक बार मेरे हो, बस तुम मेरे, नजरों में तुम हो बसे। रह खुद से है पूछा
For a person like me who wears his heart on the sleeve, she is the kind of person who always enables me to sort of take the highs and lows of life in a palatable way, in a way that I can keep going, keep pushing. She always keeps me motivated. She understands me like nobody else. Knowing, like, she's known me for 7 years, she can read my face. She can read my, I'll tell you, I kid you not, she can read my micro expressions. So even if I'm not feeling the best, and if I'm not showing it on my face, she'll know.
For the most part, our relationship has been a long distance relationship. So one of the best things that could have happened to us is we become the best of friends. Because when you're so far away from each other, the only thing that really keeps a relationship strong is being able to be there for each other even though you're so far away. So that kept this relationship strong, and we're the best of friends. So with one, yeah, he's been there. So in Banaras, what we like doing together was like reading on the at the ghats. There was one special place near Shivala Ghat where we would sit together, and the breeze from the Ganges would just hit our hair, and we'd be reading early in the morning. Then we'd go for chai samosa, and being there talking to each other for 1.5 hours about nothing in particular, everything that's so random, and it doesn't feel out of place. It just doesn't feel like time. So much time has gone by. Emotional moments, there have been, since it's almost like a 7-year relationship, so there have been many ups and downs, several ups and downs in each other's lives. There's a lot of moments that I can think of where we both felt like, okay, this is not something we can handle, but he's been there. He stuck through them. He's been a solid support system, and I think he would say the same for me too. So mostly, even though it's like, it's mostly a very emotionally strong relationship. I feel like I love him for who he is and for who he will be, or who we both will be.
She fulfills me, she completes me.
वहीरा गुजर जाएगा जिधर लगे ना कहीं तुझे ना नजर
रूठी है शब्द रब्बा रब्बा दिल भी है रूठा सब कुछ है बिखरा 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 सा रूठा रूठा चुप माही चुप है रांझा बोले कैसे वे ना जा बोले कैसे वे ना जा 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 बोले कैसे वे ना जा बोले कैसे वे ना जा चुप माही चुप है